Looking to build a website without writing a single line of code? Today we're comparing two rising no-code platforms, Hostinger Horizons and Bolt.new. Which one's faster, easier, and actually worth your time? Let's find out. Both tools offer clean, drag and drop interfaces, but they're made for slightly different audiences. First is the ease of use and interface. Bolt.new is laser focused on simplicity. One click and boom, you're editing. It's ultra minimalist, perfect for fast personal sites, link in bio pages, and solo creators. Hosting Our Horizons offers a bit more power. It feels closer to Wix or Squarespace. There's a learning curve, but you get way more layout flexibility and customization. Next are the features and flexibility. Horizons gives you access to custom domains, templates, responsive design, and even e-commerce tools. It's built to scale with your brand or small business. Bolt that new, super fast but very limited. No built-in blog, no store, and very few layout options. It's great for MVPs but not for full websites. Bolt that new is completely free, no ads, no catches. Horizons is included in Hostinger's premium plans starting around $3 a month with hosting, domain, and email bundled. So, who it's for? Use Bolt.new if you need a sleek, fast, single page site like for a portfolio, resume, or launch countdown, and go with Hostinger Horizons if you're building a real brand site, want multiple pages, or plan to grow. So, who wins? Bolt.new is best for speed and simplicity, and Hostinger Horizons is better long-term platform. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!